thank all the reporters, journalists, photographers, camera persons, individuals, groups, companies everywhere in the world for all your contributions of news that bring hope to humans and animals, thus uplifting the atmosphere of our planet. May heaven bless your noble endeavors and protect you always, especially while on duty.
Thank heaven for our beautiful world. For the birds that soar in the immense sky, for the precious flora that adorns our earth in an exquisite array of colors. For the awe-inspiring and majestic sceneries, and for all the amazing animals, our co-inhabitants, that generously share their beauty and unconditional love. Blessed are we to be guests on this magnificent planet. In deep gratitude, may all creations thrive in peace and dignity, under the merciful grace and protection of divine love.
Mifongonjia means greetings in Fan language. I'm Mautin from vibrant and hospitable Benin. We fondly remember when Supreme Master Qinghai visited our country in 1995. She was invited by His Royal Highness, the Prince of Benin, who welcomed Master immediately upon arrival, as our people dressed in traditional clothing were singing, dancing and playing music for her on the streets of Cotonou. During Master's stay, His Royal Highness the Prince arranged a musical band to perform outside Master's hotel room as an early morning greeting, wake-up call. Later, His Majesty King Aguliabo of Benin invited Master to his palace, where he welcomed her with an imperial reception. Our country is blessed to have had the presence of Supreme Master Qinghai.
Ogenki desu ka means how are you in Japanese. I'm Yuri from the popular city of Osaka. Conducive Japan feel blessed with your presence and we adore your inner beauty. Welcome to Noteworthy News, benefiting news for a happier world.
Benefiting news for progressive world. Supreme Master Television brings you good news from around our beautiful planet, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our programs can be viewed online at www.suprememastertv.com.
In today's news, Ethiopian government support new mothers. Canada supports refugees in Kenya. Schoolgirls in the United Kingdom win award for creating energy with shoes. Physicians from the Saudi German Hospital Dubai volunteer their services, and activists stage first animal rights march in Taiwan, also known as Formosa. All this and more on Supreme Master Television, your constructive global TV channel.
Ethiopia enacts policy to support new mothers. The Ethiopian House of People's Representatives, an elected body, approved and extended the policy of paid maternity leave to 4 months, as well as giving 10 days paternity leave for fathers. In addition, the House issued a directive mandating that every workplace should have its own daycare center. During the inauguration of one such center, Minister of Women and Children Affairs, Her Excellency Demitu Ambisa, stated, "Daycare centers at working places ensure a win-win approach for the health and well-being of the mother and child, as well as the productivity of organization. They enable mothers to effectively handle both professional and social responsibility at the same time. Our thanks, Ethiopian government, for your caring endeavor. May your new regulation lead to happier and healthier lives for many lovely mothers and children, with heaven's abundant blessings." Up next, Canada provides funds to help refugees. It's time for us to express our thankfulness for all the experiences in our lives that teach us invaluable lessons and help us better understand ourselves and others. Supreme Master Television will return with more conscientious news in just a moment.
Hi friends, I'm Antelope, the antelope, and I live on a plant-based diet. This is my daughter.
Hi, I'm Leah Lou.
Today we have a driving safety tip for you.
We sure do, Mom. When you stop at a red light, it's safest to keep your foot on the brake pedal. Better still to put the car on park position also.
Even if you are on a level road and your car doesn't move without your foot on the brake.
This will allow your car to stay stationary, even if someone gives you a bump from behind.
It also means you won't be knocked into the car in front of you like a domino effect.
Thank you for your attention.
Love you so much for being veg, going green to save the planet, thus save the world.
Now, the worldwide weather.
Canada contributes $12 million to assist refugees in Kenya. During his visit to Kenya, Canadian Immigration Minister, the Honorable Ahmed Hussein, announced a donation of $12 million to help refugees and drought-affected people in the country. The contributions will be channeled to the World Food Programme and the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. It will be used to distribute food and other necessary aid to over 500,000 refugees, as well as approximately 704,000 people living in communities affected by drought. In a press release, Minister Hussein stated, Canada is proud to provide humanitarian and development assistance to address the needs of the most vulnerable and ensure those requiring emergency assistance are reached. We're so grateful, Canada, for your generous donation. May heaven bless people in Kenya and all of Africa with much abundance, comfort, and peace.
UK schoolgirls create electricity-producing insoles. A group of Year 9 students from the Clapton Girls' School, London, United Kingdom, has invented insoles that harness kinetic energy produced by walking. The innovation, called Green Steps, won the top prize in the Schools Challenge competition arranged by the Imperial College London and the J.P. Morgan Financial Institution in order to create innovative products to improve the lives of people living in the cities. Green Steps combines memory foam with piezoelectric materials, which are capable of generating electrical current when exposed to pressure. The electricity produced by walking could be stored in a device and used to charge a cell phone or other electronic equipment. Praising the resourceful spirit of the students, Associate Provost at the Imperial College London, Professor Maggie Dalman, said, "The school's challenge has evidenced the talent, drive and creativity of London's young people. They have come up with ideas that have the potential to greatly improve the way we live and help our cities respond to major societal challenges." Wow! Thanks and congratulations, the Green Steps team, for your ingenious invention. May your imagination and dedication inspire many more helpful technologies. Supreme Master Ching Hai will grant the Green Steps team the Shining World Leadership Award for Invention and $10,000 for encouragement and recognition of their talents that helps the planet with love and admiration.
Coming up, activists stage first Animal Rights March in Taiwan, also known as Formosa. We're going to take a moment and pray for peace in the world. More giving news coming up on Supreme Master Television.
Welcome back to Noteworthy News, beneficial news for healing world.
Saudi German Hospital Dubai helps refugees in Bangladesh. A group of physicians from the hospital have volunteered to provide medical assistance to Rohingya refugees in the city of Cox's Bazar. The doctors are working as a part of the Zaid Giving Convoy, performing diagnostics as well as offering preventive and therapeutic services. The volunteering efforts were part of the 2017 Year of Giving in the United Arab Emirates, which was declared by country's president, His Royal Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, to enhance the nation's health institutions and humanitarian aid they provide for less fortunate individuals. CEO of the Saudi German Hospital Dubai, Dr. Rem Osman said, "The doctors presented a distinctive example of charitable work and humanitarian acts via their volunteer work in the UAE Field Hospital and its mobile medical clinics equipped with the latest medical equipment, which include a reception, emergency unit, laboratory, and pharmacy. Our earnest thankfulness, Saudi German Hospital Dubai team, for your loving care of our Rohingya brethren. May all refugees and migrants around the world be blessed with a bright future of peace, well-being, and abundance."
Activists staged first animal rights march in Taiwan, also known as Formosa. Joining the rise in global consciousness for animal liberation, a local grassroots organization, Legan 30, held the first ever animal rights march in Formosa, which took place in Taipei's Xinyi district, one of capital's busiest and most famous areas, which surround the iconic building Taipei 101.
大家好，我是智辉，我是纯素30天的发起人。然后我们是在台湾做街头推广纯素。这场游行最主要目的，我们希望集结台湾所有爱护动物的朋友们，不管是不是 vegan， 只要他对动物的遭遇感到不舍、感到难过，我们都希望他可以站出来，然后跟我们一起团结在一起，然后改善现在动物们他们所遭遇到的事情。
那今天这个活动是一群年轻人们大家发起为了动物权利做发声的游行活动。那我们希望藉由很多的活动，可以让大家更清楚的知道，其实吃素还有就是对于环境的关注是可以藉由生活去做实践的。我们关心动物，也关心相对的权利。
那这是台湾第一次的动物权的游行嘛？那我觉得很开心能够来参与。
特别跟公司请假，然后来参加这场有意义的修行。现在下雨，虽然天气很冷，可是我觉得参加这场活动心还是很热情的这样。
Braving the cold and rain on Sunday, December 17th, 2017. Approximately 150 supporters from abroad and across the island gathered together to lend their voices for the animals.
My name is David and I'm from South Africa. I attended this march because I am vegan, and I think it's important for all vegans and non-vegans to come together and cooperate to speak for the voiceless. And I think animals do definitely feel, and they do have emotions, so it's important for us to see that. And to come together as a group especially helps towards promoting an idea that's worth keeping this planet alive and going.
Hi, my name is Joe and I come from Scotland. The reason I'm a vegan is because I believe that animals have the same rights as us. I don't really want animals to suffer. I love animals. On a march to show people, to spread a message about veganism and the truth behind animal factory production, because animals are suffering really terribly under really horrible conditions in the factories, and just want to let everyone know that it's a lot easier to be a vegan. It's healthier for you. It makes you feel happier too.
Hello, I'm Jesse. I'm vegan and I came here because, to support the march and because it's exciting to see animal rights and veganism growing so fast in Taiwan. It was exciting to be part of the first animal rights march ever in Taipei. I live in Hsinchu, so I came up for this. I would say Taiwan is really now the vegan heart and most vegan friendly in Asia now.
Hi, my name is Adam. I'm from the UK. So I want to march today because anywhere I'm in the world I want to participate in promoting the vegan message and promoting non-violence and peace in the world. My wish for the new year is that more people go vegan and therefore less animals suffer.
With each given a yellow numbered ear tag, the participants held placards and chanted animal rights slogans, including "Animals are not prisoners" and "Animals are our friends."
那大家可以看到我们耳朵上面有这个号码牌，这个是模拟在牧场里面的牛它的一些平时生活的状态。
我希望更多的人可以意识到说，动物不属于我们，它们其实属于大自然。假如我们今天真的想要看它们的话，我们应该去它们的环境当中，去自然环境当中，出去踏踏青，然后去欣赏它们，而不是把它们囚禁在一个好像固定的地方，让它们一辈子没有自己的自由，然后不能去想去的地方，然后也不能享受大自然的舒服，只为了每天被我们观赏。
Also, among the rallying crowd was the well-known Formosan hip-hop artist Twaki. He has written songs about the heart-wrenching plight of stray dogs and cats, as well as farmed animals, namely The Very Last Morning and Window of Butchery.
然后今天来参加这个活动，是希望借由这个活动，让更多人能够知道这个素食的理念，尊重生命这个理念，然后可以让更多人可以这样子慢慢加入这样子。其实有时候觉得吃素这个东西，你不要硬要说大家要怎么样，就是要努力改变自己，让自己变成一个更好的人，然后更多人会想要，就是说，是什么力量让你改变的？然后他们自己来问你的时候，你再告诉他们，这样子会觉得更有效。大家好，我是大基，纯素生活，创造和平。你现在收看的是无上师电视台。
我是吴宗宪博士，也是台湾的农委会的动物保护咨询顾问。纯素生活，创造和平。
World Vegan, World Peace.
World Vegan, World Peace.
World Vegan, World Peace.
纯素生活，创造和平。
Our big round of applause, Vegan 30, and all caring individuals involved for organizing and participating in this unprecedented march for animal rights in Formosa. With the blessing of billions of animal friends around the world to keep us company on our shared planetary home, may we uphold our true stewardship by adopting the healthy and life-affirming vegan diet.
It's now time for a laugh with an original joke by Supreme Master Ching Hai entitled Book Reading.
Why is the print so tiny in this book? But we will include glasses that will enable you to read well. Oh, good. Because I could never read anything before.
It's been a pleasure to have your company today on Noteworthy News.
May your days be blessed with celestial wisdom and beauty. We'll see you next time.
We thank all the reporters, journalists, photographers, camera persons, individuals, groups, companies everywhere in the world for all your contributions of news that bring hope to humans and animals, thus uplifting the atmosphere of our planet. May heaven bless your noble endeavors and protect you always, especially while on duty.
For more details, please visit www.suprememastertv.com/NWN.